Right, guys, listen up. I love you so much. I want to show you how to actually read the chart, the graph, so that you can start also making money. Not this thing of blowing money, like you deposit money, you lose it. So because I love you so much, I want to show you how to actually analyze this chart so that you can also buy or sell, know when to buy, when to sell, when to set a stop loss, take profit, and also make money, start making money. Right, you don't have to pay me anything. All that you have to do is just listen, watch this tutorial until the end. So I will share the Bozza strategy, the skeleton, the entry confirmation, and also how we actually look at the overall movement of the market. Right now, you open your MetaTrader 5. If you do not have a trading account, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, you open your MetaTrader 5. Let's actually open a MetaTrader 5 platform. This is MT5. I don't recommend TradingView. I don't recommend other trading platforms. I only recommend MetaTrader 5 because it's much easier to use. Now, you select any financial asset. With the Bozza strategy, you select any financial asset that you like. Now, you select, let's select XAUUSD, which is gold versus the US dollar. We go to chart. We tapped once and tapped to chart. If you're an advanced trader, it's actually a good thing for you to also watch this tutorial. Now, the skeleton for you to trade the Bozza strategy, it's simple. It's easy and straightforward. So it's like this. I want you to pay attention. Please make sure that you pay attention. We have our one. We have our one. Now, the chart moves in this way. This is a starting of a day. A starting of a day. It's simple and easy to actually use. Let's actually draw a straight line like that. That's our number one. Now, from number one and number two, number one and number one, you have to draw lines. You have to draw lines. The lines that I'm talking about, we're talking about rectangle lines that are like this. That are like this. So what you are looking for, this is the skeleton. I want you to pay attention. This is the skeleton. What you're looking for, we are looking for, if the chart right now gets down like this, it doesn't matter if it can move in this way. But what you're looking for it to actually break. If it goes down like this, it gets in the middle, or it does whatever it does. Only if it does break here, you are looking to actually what? Take a sell, a buy position. And if it breaks below here and it retests like this, you are looking to take a sell position here. And if it goes all the way up, it gets back down, you're looking to take a buy position. Let me repeat that for those who actually do not understand the skeleton. We have our number one, right? We mark it. This is a starting of a day. This is a starting of a day. I'll show you how to actually see that. Now, you mark this, the lower price here. This is the lower price here. And this is the higher price over here. Now, it gets all the way up. It gets back down here. Now, if it gets all the way up, this is the higher price. This is the higher price. Here, this is the lower price. This is your number one. This is your number one. Now, if it breaks, goes below, it breaks here and it retests. This is the Bozza way, how we trade every day, and we use only 15M time frame. We do not change any time frame that we like. We use only 15M time frame. Now, let's go ahead and look at the reality of this, what I'm actually trying to show you. Now, let's look at gold here. This is gold. You see what's happening there? I trust you can see. This is gold, all right? All right, this is gold. Now, on gold, what we're looking for, it's simple, right? This is the starting of a day, period separator here. Now, we have to mark the high price and lower price. This is our high price over here, all right? And this is our low price for the day. And some of you will be asking me, how do you see as a lower price and high price for the day? You look at the candlesticks, the formation of a candlestick. You see these two candlesticks here, and you see these two candlesticks here, and it will form in this way, making a space in between here. That's how you know this is a half the day. And then we will break the half the day. This forms your sort of your M pattern, but we break it. This is your one and your one. Now, when it comes to buying or selling, we are looking to confirm the entry using what? Using this structure here. We are looking to find only one candlestick pattern engulfing. Now, let's actually look at using our laptop, making sure that we have a bigger chart that we can actually analyze. Now, this is gold, right? The starting of a day, you see it by the period separator. This is the 13th of August. Now we look at simple things. Let's actually mark the areas that I'm talking about. This is the area, and this is the area, right? Okay, I trust you can see. Let's add our rectangle box, the one that the one actually go away, and we add these ones here like this. We add these ones like this. All right, now we are looking to take what? We are looking to take, you see, we have up movement, down movement, it did its own thing, and break. Now we're looking for an engulfing candlestick. Engulfing candlestick that we have, it's here. This is the engulfing candlestick that we have over here. However, if we want to buy or sell, we want the candlestick to be below this line here. Below this line here. Well, we want an engulfing candlestick to be in this line here. All right. Let's look for another example on the next day. Only looking for one entry. For one entry for the day. That's it. Now, this forms your low price there. And we have another one here. Forms your high price there. This is your low price. This is your low price. All right. Now we are looking to see that if it breaks above, let me just place it well. This is a strategy that will actually get you to make money using only 15M time frame. Now, if it breaks above here, it goes above and it gets back down here, you are looking to take a buy going up. Simple. Now, since it breaks below here, we are looking to take what? We are looking to take a sell over here using the engulfing candlestick, and our exit is here in this area. Do you understand? All right, let's look for another example for those who still have some difficulties in understanding the skeleton, the entry confirmation, and also the candlestick pattern that we're looking for. Now let's zoom in. All right, some of the trades will not work, and make sure that we have to work with risk management. And risk management, we also have to look at risk to reward ratio. This is the low, right? That is a low, and we had a break. Now we were expecting for it to actually get in this area here on this engulfing, where we have a supply and we have more demand. This is where we have more demand, supply, more supply. Let me explain the supply and demand. Some of the traders, they have some difficulties in understanding that. This is the candlestick of an engulfing. The first candlestick is actually small. The second one is actually big. Now, if you look here, we have a green candlestick. This is the first candlestick. The second candlestick is red and it's big. This is your second candlestick. Now, this red candlestick shows that we have more supply. It is simple. For example, this candlestick over here. We have the first one that is green and the second one that is actually red. The red shows that we have more supply. So the strategy that is actually a Bozza strategy is based on trading the supply and demand, and also looking at the price action. Price action, we're focusing on the candlestick, how they move, how they connect, how they rotate over time. So we're using only 15M time frame to trade every day. We can scalp, we can intraday trade, we can day trade using the strategy. So if you have some questions, feel free to let me know on the comment section below. So I want you to actually make money, real make money. We're not talking about you can pass your challenge account, you can use your real account, and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. You go to YouTube app, right? And this is Bozza Trader channel, and you subscribe. Now, once you've subscribed, make sure that you watch if you don't have a trading account, you watch how to actually open a trading account, and the tutorial is somewhere here. How to open a trading account here. All right, and you make sure that you click these links and you register trading account with IC Markets or Deriv, or you can use also the FX View. Now, these brokers, why I recommend them? I recommend them because if right now you try to use Trading View, you'll have some issues, because Trading View is like a pack house where many brokers, they actually offer the charts that you will analyze. So it's better to actually analyze the chart that is actually offered by the broker that I'm recommending, because the spread on the brokers, right, the spread on the brokers, they're not the same. So if the spread are different, that will actually affect the candlestick opening, closing, and also high and low. So make sure that you use the recommended brokers that I actually recommend. If you like to trade prop firm, you like to pass your prop firm account, you can still apply the same strategy that I recommend here. So now let's look at this move. Every day you're looking to actually look, you're looking for this. Now here's another example. We have this low here. The wicks, when I talk about the wicks, we're talking about the rejections. They don't count as to breaking the low. Now this is where you're expecting to take a sell, and we had a sell here on the scale stick. They went all the way down. Take profit was here. So you'll be able to count your take profit. You'll be able to know that it's time for you to buy, time for you to sell. Let's make another practical example, and let's actually look at another practical example for everybody to understand what we are really looking for. And make sure that your period separators are turned on. And let's look at this practical example. We have a break here. Can you see the break? We're expecting for it to return this area. Our entry is here, this engulfing. This is where we get in when it comes back down, and our exit area is here. So we'll wait for the market to do its thing. Remember, it's important to apply proper risk management, because you're not going to actually make money if you keep risking too much. So sometimes it will not come back, so that is okay. If it did come back, then we take the trade. If it did not come back, we don't take the trade. So this is the starting of a new day, and this is your low here, and the low is broken. All right, we have a break here, and we're expecting to take an entry here. This is how you can use the strategy. Only 15M time frame. You can trade any financial asset that you like of your choice. And there's some of the things that maybe I might not mention here because of time, and also if you like to master the strategy, you can also connect with me. But then if the strategy is actually something that you like to use, you can actually back test it on your chart, look if actually it's profitable for any asset that you like to analyze. You can actually do that. And if you like to actually use hard time frame, you can use hard time frame. So you can see right now we've made a sell here. See, the exit was here. You can apply the strategy to trade any financial asset. I'm giving you the strategy so that you can start making money. This is the easiest way for you to actually make money trading the financial market. I love you all. Stay blessed. I'll see you on another tutorial.